For the first time in American history, a former president has been found guilty in criminal court. CBS News election law contributor David Becker joins us now. David, good to see you. Thanks for being here. So we have never been here before. Talk to us about the precedent that this case sets.
Well, it's historic, as you've noted, and many others have commented. We've never had a former president convicted of a felony before. We knew this was likely coming. There were multiple cases in the works. This is the first one that got there. But this could have an impact, not just on the election and how we choose our next president, but on how people respond to institutions and our democracy overall. One of the things that I'm keeping a close eye on is whether or not this might cause the minority of Americans who will believe the claims that this was rigged and this was a Biden prosecution, both of which are false, and who might be inclined to get angry because they support Donald Trump, whether this might lead to political violence over the next several months. But I'm also struck by how resilient our institutions are. This is remarkable. In our nation's history, we might never have been challenged as much as we have been since the Civil War, and yet our institutions, whether it be election officials and our election system, which have responded remarkably over the course of time, or our court system, which has responded remarkably. Scott McFarland made a great point a few hours ago about how the jurors on this trial undoubtedly knew that they would be attacked if they convicted him, much as the judge and his family had been attacked. And yet they still looked at the evidence, looked at the law, and did their duty. And our institutions, once again, have been resilient against attacks.
Yeah, and that's important to note, especially with these potential threats of political violence, especially given how Trump supporters have shown that they're willing to stand up for him. I'm curious, too, now that the former president is a convicted felon, he's also the presumptive Republican nominee. He is going to be nominated as the party's nominee in July. Can he still vote as a convicted felon?
Yeah, that's a great point. I've been getting that question a lot recently. It is undoubtedly true that he is going to be the Republican nominee. He is going to run. He can take office despite this conviction. His right to vote, he's currently a Florida voter, is going to be subject to Florida law. What Florida law says is that if you are a convicted felon, you are subject to the laws of that state with regard to the felony conviction, in this case in New York. And in New York, you're eligible to vote so long as you are not currently incarcerated. So he is extremely unlikely, almost a 0% chance of him being incarcerated by November. So it's almost certain that he will still be eligible to vote under Florida law.
All right, that is important clarity for us, and we will wait that sentencing scheduled for July 11th, just days before the political convention for the Republicans. David Becker, as always, we thank you.
Thank you, Caitlin.